Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to reset Google Home speaker, factory reset and restart options explained. Google Home Original. Locate the microphone mute button on the back of the speaker. Then turn the microphone off. Now press and hold the top center of the speaker where the LEDs are for about 15 seconds. Keep holding until you hear the confirmation that the device is resetting. Google Home Mini First Gen. Turn the speaker upside down, then press and hold the factory reset button below the power cable. After about 5 seconds, the reset process begins. Continue holding for another 10 seconds until you hear the confirmation tone. Next, Mini Second Gen. Turn the microphone off using the side switch. Now press and hold the center of the top panel above the LEDs for about 15 seconds. Then release the button after you hear the reset confirmation. Next, audio. Turn the microphone off, then press and hold the center of the top of the speaker for about 15 seconds. And keep holding until you hear the confirmation that the factory reset has started. Google Home Max. Press and hold the factory reset button near the power cord on the back of the speaker. And hold it for about 12 to 15 seconds until the speaker announces it is resetting. After the reset, wait until the speaker says, "Welcome to Google Home." Then open the Google Home app on your phone, then tap plus, then go to Setup Device, then tap on New Device and follow the on-screen instructions to reconnect the speaker to Wi-Fi and your Google account. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.